Martial art means honestly expressing yourself. Meaning it is easy for me to put on the show and be cocky, so I can show you some really fancy movement. But to express oneself honestly, not lying to oneself, and to express myself honestly,
It's all good, man.
is very hard to do.
Like sands through the hourglass, so are the days of our lives. For that live moment we thrive, awakening as we make the dead come alive. Rise and walk, my son, coming to the light. Inside the dark, we illuminate mice. Give knowledge to mediocre, the will to Neanderthal. Filter to the small, digital to analog. We steady advancing, rhyme enhancing. Simple minds can't keep up with this. I'ma put it on the table. I ain't a thug nigga and player, I ain't playful. I'm just a non-seller, a man without label. Standing on my own, just trying to stay stable. Speaking what I know, do only what I'm able. I ain't the kind of guy who carry on for dough. The material cat who walk around for show. I'm just your everyday, heavyweight, Joe on the go while others go with the flow. I ain't never been the one to follow trend. I do my own bit. Can't keep up with the Joneses. I'm on my own shit. I don't care what you drink, what you stress, how you dress, or where you got the link. I ain't impressed. These lames run around like mice in the maze, trying to get up on cheese. It's just a rat race. One is J times game to make man worship things over the supreme thing. A star for large. Shall I join the hypocrites or side with the suckers by choice? It makes no difference that you're a product of environment. It's just coincidence. The world's a violent place, baby. There ain't no more innocence. A civil men of penitence, just ignorance. Cast on the right from wrong. They mimic shit they see on TV or hearing a song. What they tell you they on? The sucker act up every minute. The righteous live on, but the niggas are infinite. Yo, I ain't hardcore. I don't pack a 9mm. Most of your gangsta rappers ain't hardcore neither. Whoever get mad, then I'm talking about you. Claim you fear no man, but never walk without crew. Where I'm from, your reputation don't mean jack. So what if you pack yaks and you sell beans crack? You ain't big time, my man. You ain't no different from the next cat in my neighborhood who did time. Rhyme after rhyme, it's the same topic. What make you think you hardcore? Cause you was raised in the projects. Broke ass, finally got 100 in your pocket. Now you on the mic, spitting money's no object. What you say is bull crap. If you wasn't with your crew, wasn't drunk off the brew, would you still gas? You need to stop fronting, or you're headed for self-destruction. Yeah, today's topic is self-destruction. I ain't talking about the KRS-One discussion. I'm talking about the one too many ignorant suckers lying on the mic to my sisters and brothers. Every time you listen to the radio, all you hear is nonsense. They never play the bomb shit. Everything that glitters ain't gold, and every gold record don't glitter. That's for damn sure. Y'all need to be all that shit.
You're rattling on and ain't saying nothing.
I think I elevate my mental. When I talk, I know I'm talking for hip hop.
Cats got confused somewhere. Confused about what hip hop was. You know what I'm saying? Or what hip hop is. It's business, bro. You know, it's big money. You know what I'm saying? That's all these cats about. Man. You know that's bullshit, right? But dig it though. But if you want to make money though, I got it broke down. Now. Break it down. I got it broke down. You got hip hop, then you got hip hop. Hip hop. That's right. But a lot of cats will pop. Yes. You know what I'm saying? Right? Yeah. Now, you have to be real hip hop. You got the top 40 version of hip hop. You know what I'm saying? I still got something else that I want to get off my chest. You know what I'm saying? How many cats you know speak the illegit, rhyme after rhyme diligent? 85% represent ignorant. Either you innocent or guilty. Some of my favorite MCs fell off. It damn near killed me. Looking up to kids that was true hip hop. Nowadays them cats don't even do hip hop. Rap got them brainwashed with cats that don't last. In 5 minutes of fame, that's when it's a shame. Seeing real MCs trying to imitate rappers. If you ask me, they going out ass backwards. Trading in respect to push a fat Lex. Puff rhyming on the remix. What's next? It hurts so bad I wanna smack 'em. My favorite crew members break up, turn around and join whack ones. This is dedicated to you hip hop hypocrites driving whack songs like you don't give a shit. I ain't got nothing against nobody trying to make a decent living. It ain't the money that's the issue. Only if that's the reason why these cats ain't making decent music. That's when I got beef with you, and I'ma bring it to you like never. Go ahead, call me player hater if it make you feel better. Try to jump my crew if you cats feel froggy. You need to wake up and smell the damn coffee. You know what I'm saying? These whack MCs.